Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring versions match, and you have a reliable backup. This prevents deployment surprises. Open the Ssis project in Visual Studio/SSDT and load the package you want to change. Once done, review and lock down connection managers and project parameters so your edits target the right runtime settings. Make sure to switch to the correct build configuration and confirm source control is synced. That way your changes integrate cleanly, and you avoid overriding others' work. Now you modify tasks and components with intent. Change data flow sources, tweak transforms, and update connection strings or parameters, while explaining why each change matters for performance or reliability. Once you alter mappings or expressions, run package-level tests using sample data to validate results and catch errors early. While editing, refactor monolithic flows into modular tasks and add logging and checkpoints so debugging later is easier. Make sure to run package validation before proceeding to deployment. You build the project and generate the deployment artifact or use integrated deploy. This locks in changes and produces the package you will promote. Deploy to a development or staging environment and run full end-to-end tests, verifying row counts, error logs, and performance against baselines. After stakeholder sign-off, deploy to production with a defined maintenance window and rollback plan. If things go wrong, check logs. Confirm connection strings and parameters first. Most failures trace back to an
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.